So I should have been filming my entire day, but I know all the people do this. Not gonna lie, it is not for the week. So I got up this morning at after some minutes past 4. In all honesty, I wanted to get up earlier to do some work on my business because that time is quiet, that time is cool. I am not good with heat, and I am yet to install my AC. Working on that. Me not up. I only finger detangle and some parts barely did. I will do that Friday first. I use my shampoo bar to wash, and then I use the Tresemme hyaluronic acid conditioner. Because it leaves your hair very moisturized. And I also mix it with my shampoo bar because I'm enough. So anyway, so I got up after 4. Thinking that, I honestly wanted to get up before that. I wanted to get up at least 2 o'clock to do some work. My body said no. And I didn't set an alarm because I'm gonna jump up out of my sleep. And I made green juice. I think I did at 5 o'clock, or a little bit after 5. I washed the dishes because they never wash from yesterday, but it was just a little bit of stuff. And then I made banana fritters with steamed cabbage and piece of chicken ham we have. But seem like it has spoiled or not now, yes. Nothing, nah. Wait, my lash them worry do. How much time I said this in the one little vlog? Jesus. Anyway, this one more monster. Oof, damn. I was thinking of going to Quest today, but not left me yard. I'm not leaving this one more monster and we'll make here early. But not left me yard. Damn.
Oh, damn.
And I've done hang out with a 2 load of laundry. Now, honestly, they were items that I washed last week, but never left the hang out because of the rain. Because my dryer broke and Mr. 16 had an initial checkout. The gentleman, nearly a mechanic, he was going to look if he has the item that needs to be replaced. And when I remember said the machine not dry, I'm going to fix it. So him never follow up, me no follow up. So I need to get that sorted out so that I'm gonna have this problem again. So that load, those 2 loads, this is a small machine. So technically it would have been 1 load for a big machine. And the then me I wash 2 load, one with the clothes on my wear since week and another with a few white clothes. But honestly, and even one full load, even half a load. But I want the robe that is in it to create content for my business, because I'm trying to associate certain things with this and that, as a marketing. Hey, you're not promoting now? I want to see. Yeah, so I want to associate this blouse or this robe with whatever content I'm going to make and whatnot. So when they see it, oh my God, they're going to be like, oh, this is what you'll be doing, If they want to pass it, that's a film business, but they will know that, this is, what you see about this, this is more do. It's been working out so far, in my estimation, because I used to have consistently 100 and a little bit views. Now I'm having, even though I still have 100 and something views on some posts, I'm having 200, 300 views. I'm a gratitude. Yeah, it might sound like a little bit to some people. At one point in time with this one, a little bit to me, I'm not gonna lie. Until I realized that me find it hard to talk in front of 50 people. Imagine 100 and 200 people me start talking to. I love it for me. Yeah? And the material from the routine, this look good. I can come up. No, come on. No, come on, down me. And I'm not taking my time. But anyway. I feel like I'm done, sir. How rude. May I go finish, come do some chunky twists in my head? The breeze turning on. I do some chunky twisting on my head, watch some Criminal Minds. I'm at season 7, episode 14, and this is my probably 6th time watching Criminal Minds, but I've never passed season 12, I think. After the whole thing with Scratch, if you ever watch Criminal Minds, it don't matter, but after the whole thing with Scratch, when they realize who Scratch was or is, I'm gonna pass this one. And me see one episode where I'm like, I don't know this. I'm gonna realize that go way beyond what we know about. Oh, and I think they have Criminal Minds Evolution, but I'm not really a fan of that one, to be honest. Yeah, I don't like Evolution because the curse in it. But does not feel like that's what me. I know it's not necessarily a children's series. But I want to see a reason for the macros tonight. You understand me? You know, so they all know one. They know, I don't know. They know that the persons who would have. I mean, I don't know. I don't know why they do that. Anyway, this is the moisturizer I use in my hair religiously from 2022. Well, I don't use it alone. I have another one that I got from Sally's Beauty, which is 6-in-1. I don't know if it's on my Amazon, but it's here dear. Whew, damn.
Oh, damn.
I think from Sally's. Let me show you. Then notice me up and down the face. Watch out. I got this from Sally's Beauty. I've had this for too many years, probably 2018. The expiration date is 1 year after. Yeah. It's also saying that it's pet friendly. I got it mean? Or cruelty free. May know. Is the sign I'm watching. Yeah, so this is sold in Sally's Beauty in America. It's really, really nice. It's just that, and it's watery. Did you hear that? And then, so I change between this and the 6-in-1. When remember, so I have the 6-in-1 because when I hide around one place, around one part, I never remember when they use it as much. I never want to something good. Then I go, so this is the moisturizer, and you know that moisturizers are water-based. Then I normally go in with my hair oil to help with dandruff, to lock in the moisture. Yes, this has some butters and oils in it, but I want to lock it in further. Come on now. You know? I know my hair isn't greasy afterwards. Not at all. And the machine will be so strong. Alright. So I'm just all twisty, and then go in and twist it in a smaller section so it can dry faster. Then I know what I'm gonna do it. I'm thinking of putting some twists in it, but no mini twists can be camera. I'm washing my hair every week, so doing mini twists never really make no sense because by the time I finish washing my hair with the mini twist in it, I'm machine a mess now. It not steroids. Me have to do it all over again. Who about to do all of that? No, baby. My hair is long. I think I'll clip it today. So, that's enough work. I'm not depend on that. Jesus! Why? Alright, so I am all done. Put my hair in a bit chunks whenever I wash it. So I'm just going to oil the scalp. Oil up the scalp, the spaces we never put no grease into. All of them will get me called. Oil up, you see me? Yeah. I'm gonna leave it actually in a rabbit too. No, I should. I should massage it in. It's not like to me I'm gonna with this. Oh. Let me put it at the front of my hair. Get my edges. You know? Watch that. Then this is me for me a high. Cool. Alright. So now I have to fold clothes. I actually hate folding clothes. I'm gonna fold my clothes. Well, let me show you guys the hair that came out. I don't think this is bad, but it's a lot more than I would have wanted to come out, you know?
She shake it like jelly, 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 100 bands of Chanel. She shake it like jelly, 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 100 bands of Chanel.
just got done watering my plants. I'll insert some pictures for you guys. And now I'm going to make a smoothie again, but I'm going to use my melons. I want something named honeydew melon because them actually overripe and we don't waste over her, right? Now, a thing with fruits is that you're not supposed to mix melons. So if you're eating melons, you should just eat melons, not melons and something else. If you're eating banana, just banana. If you're eating citrus fruits, just citrus fruits. Mixing fruits and vegetables work against each other in your stomach, so it only tastes nice, and I really do nothing for you. So I'll be
So this is my office space that I need to work on. Don't know how me reach here, so in terms of it being this untidy. I got these recently and they're cute. Love it, love it, love it. This is my gouache marker that I bought to write on my thank you cards. I couldn't write on the last batch, so I ordered a new batch which I can actually write on. Yeah, so see it there, over there. So I don't know why now that we're gonna fix it. Watch the lady. Yeah.
One eternity later.
To be honest, I haven't eaten any dinner. I had breakfast, I had lunch, as you guys would know. My ankle my ankle was swollen, so I actually had to come and lay down. And I haven't been up much unless I needed to get to the bathroom because it's hurting a lot. Why am I dark? Come on, I want to turn on the lights. But I have been scrolling on Amazon and not Pinterest, what's the word? Quartz, to put together things I need for the dining room. I'm working on doing a tea station. I want a little bar area where I'm going to keep wines. But like 6 wine. I saw a friend do it. Her name is Lady Luxable. You can follow her on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. She makes homemade candles. Love that girl. Never met her, but she's gorgeous. I was inspired by a video that she sent me of her living area. I'm not drink wine like that. That's why I only say 6, cause, yeah. And I just me for now. So I'm thinking of doing 6. Just 6. Yes, it might sound like a bit too, no. I don't drink wine like that, as I said. Just putting up a little area with 6. For the fact that I'm going to have the tea station though, I don't know if it's going to make sense to do it like do the thing that I wanted to do initially now. Cause I've changed up the way how I'm going to do the dining room. So that's going to be sticky. May have to revisit that part. Maybe if the tea station, because it's a lot of space for the tea area. The thing that I'm going to use for the tea station, it's a lot of space, so I maybe just put some wines there. Or I can get one of something them where I can actually put wine pan. The wine can mix drinks. Wanna feel? We can't do that though. I can do that. Yeah, I feel like it's something say too dark. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna say too dark now. Right. So I'm thinking of getting I'm not with you. Make it still on my eye then, don't worry. So so I should put this on that time and I want to grease up. No, I look crazy. Anyhow. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get one of them bar something. I may get bar something since if I'm not a drink like that. Just for some of it, no matter sense. It would be nice though. Nah. I look mashed down.
Bye. Thanks for watching.